Driving for Uber or other rideshare companies is a great way to start your entrepreneurial journey. It teaches you time management, helps you learn your city, and introduces you to all types of people. Getting a Nevada business license for Uber drivers is required by law. We'll share the information you need to know to decide whether Uber is right for you, what business licenses you'll need, and how to get your Nevada business license for Uber. Key takeaways. 1. Uber drivers make an average of $23.87 hourly. 2. You need to get a business license to drive for Uber in Nevada. 3. You'll want licensing at the state and county levels. 4. Getting the right licenses offers legal protection. 5. The application process requires filing documents and paying fees. 6. Understanding the licensing rules simplifies the process. Uber estimates drivers make an average of $23.87 per hour in Las Vegas. This is your revenue. Assuming you drive 12 hours a day, 365 days a year, you can make over $100K driving Uber. Most people won't drive that much or make anywhere near that, though. When you deduct the mileage of 70 cents per mile allowed by the IRS, your profit margins may be minimal or even negative. That can be a good thing if you want extra cash without paying taxes. The benefits of driving Uber are substantial. In addition to making extra money and deducting most of it for taxes, you also have networking opportunities with potential customers if you run other businesses, the ability to make additional income from ads on your vehicle, a way to promote your other businesses on your vehicle while driving. While I don't suggest Uber or any rideshare as your only source of income, it is a great way to become an entrepreneur and market your businesses. People often wonder if they need a Nevada business license for Uber. Yes, you'll need a Nevada business license to drive for Uber. The TNC license at the state level is only required of Uber itself. You just need to apply for either a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. At a minimum, you'll need Nevada state business license. A sole proprietorship is the minimum, but an LLC or corporation will protect against some liability if you are in an accident while driving. Clark County TNC or delivery driver license. The TNC license is for ride sharing and the delivery driver is for food. I'd recommend getting both to diversify your income streams. Employer Identification Number, EIN. Corporations and LLCs will need an EIN from the IRS. Your business license provides benefits to Nevada Uber drivers, including legitimacy. A valid business license shows your customers that you are a legitimate business. Compliance. Following state and local business laws avoids costly fines and other consequences. Liability protection. LLCs and corporations can protect your assets from personal liability in the case of a lawsuit. Access to resources. Business licenses and an EIN number provide access to business insurance, tax perks, and a business bank account. But how much does it cost to get a business license for Uber drivers? The Nevada business license to drive for Uber costs $200 for a sole proprietorship, $425 for an LLC, or $500 plus for a corporation. You can pay all of these on Nevada Silver Flume. In addition, Clark County charges $45 for each new application fee, plus $25 for each annual license. That means if you do both Uber and Uber Eats, the total cost for Clark County licenses may be up to $140. You should expect to spend between $270 and $640 for all your licenses. Next, we'll explain how to get a Nevada business license to drive for Uber. To get a Nevada business license to drive for Uber, you'll want to 1. Go to Nevada Silver Flume. 2. Choose what type of business license you want. 3. Complete the checklist. 4. Enter your name. 5. Add NT7 information. 6. Add office and contact information. 7. Follow the rest of the instructions. 8. Apply for Clark County business license. We provide a guided walkthrough in our blog. In addition to the state and county business licenses, you'll also need to do the following. To become an Uber driver in Las Vegas, you need to 1. Verify you meet the requirements. 2. Apply online. 3. Provide documents. 4. Complete a background check. 5. Complete a vehicle inspection. Let's look at each of these steps. Step 1. Verify you meet the requirements. You need to have a valid driver's license. Be over the age of 18 with at least 1 year of driving experience, pass a vehicle inspection, and have valid insurance. Based on my experiences driving for Uber Eats between 2017 and 2021, there are a couple things you need to know about these requirements. Uber doesn't require you to have commercial driver's insurance, but you should get it because your insurance company will not cover you if you get in a wreck without it. Uber does random background checks. They can and will kick you off the platform for any criminal background that occurs involving violent crimes, drugs, or DUI. These are reasonable protections against liability, but you should be aware of them if you have ever had legal issues. Step 2. Apply online. You'll want to apply for Uber online through their website. This requires 1. Create an account. 2. Fill out your personal information. 3. Provide vehicle information. 4. Fill out the background check paperwork. Step 3. Provide documents. You'll need to provide Uber copies of your driver's license, registration, insurance, and proof of residency. You just need to take clear pictures of them and upload them. Step 4. Complete the background check paperwork. The background check paperwork is filled out at the time of application. They run their background checks through Checker, HireRight, and Samba Safety. Mine was run by Checker each time they ran mine. Uber specifically states they look for certain criminal convictions may result in disqualification, regardless of when they occurred, including murder, sexual assault, and terrorism-related offenses. Pending charges may also be disqualifying unless and until they are resolved in your favor. Local regulations may require an individual assessment, including evidence of rehabilitation or good character, depending on where you intend to drive. Nevada has stricter requirements, though. NRS 706A prevents rideshare companies from employing people who have 3 or more moving violations in the last 3 years, gross misdemeanors or felonies involving motor vehicle laws in the last 3 years, has been found guilty of driving a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs in the last 7 years, has been found guilty of damage to property, fraud, sexual assault, terrorism, theft, using a motor vehicle to commit a felony, or violence in the last 7 years. Step 5. Complete the vehicle check by a licensed mechanic. You'll need to get a licensed mechanic to inspect the vehicle. Some locations have special inspection locations. Expect to spend $20, $40 for it if you have to take your vehicle to a private mechanic. Make sure to renew your business licenses each year. The renewal fee is $25 for Clark County and $200 for the state.